If you want to uninstall OneDrive but keep your files safe, this video will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're trying to free up space, reduce background syncing, or just stop using OneDrive on your PC, the most important part is making sure your files are fully downloaded before you remove the app. That way, nothing important gets left behind in the cloud without a local copy on your computer. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows tips just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open File Explorer on your Windows PC. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by searching for File Explorer in the Start menu. Once File Explorer is open, go to your Microsoft OneDrive folder. This is the folder where OneDrive syncs your files between your PC and the cloud. Before uninstalling anything, you want to double check that the files you care about are actually stored on your device. Look through the files and folders you want to keep. And if you see anything important that may still be online only, right-click it. From the menu, click Always Keep on this device. This tells OneDrive to fully download that file or folder so it stays available even after OneDrive is removed. After you choose that option, give Windows a moment to finish downloading everything. Depending on how many files you have and how large they are, this may take a little while. It's a good idea to wait until the sync status shows that the files are fully available locally before moving on. If you want an extra layer of protection, you can also copy important files to another folder on your PC, such as Documents, Desktop, or an external drive. This is optional, but it's a smart backup step if you want to be absolutely sure your files are safe before uninstalling OneDrive. Once your files are secured, you're ready to remove OneDrive from Windows. Press Windows +I on your keyboard to open the Settings app. In Settings, click Apps, then choose Installed Apps. This will show you a list of all the programs currently installed on your computer. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Microsoft OneDrive. When you find it, click the three dots next to it to open the Options menu. From there, click Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm the removal, so go ahead and confirm the uninstall. After a few moments, OneDrive will be removed from your PC. And here's something really important to understand. Uninstalling OneDrive does not delete your files from your Microsoft Cloud account. That means your online files are still there, and you can access them anytime by signing in to OneDrive on the web. Also, any files that were already downloaded to your computer before uninstalling will remain on your PC, so as long as you completed the download step, your local copies should still be there. If you ever decide to use OneDrive again later, you can reinstall it and sign back in. So that's how to uninstall OneDrive and keep your files safe at the same time. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.